Hey, yo, guys, what's up? It's your boy Jesse. I'm here today with another video. I want to talk a little bit about how I'm changing the styles of my video, going back to how I was doing it, how I was walking and making videos, and possibly sitting at home making videos, focusing more on the traveling aspect. I know that recently I have been changing it up a little bit. I've been talking a lot about astronomy and religion, which I will probably still do in some ways. I've also was adding in things like AI videos, and other overlays. And so I wanted to talk a little bit about why I was doing that to possibly help you guys understand what my motive was and why I want to go back to what I was doing. I have a few videos that are still scheduled to go out for the rest of this week and next week. But then after that, you'll see this video. Then you'll see my videos go back to what they were when I first started making videos. Before I get into it, guys, if you like these videos and the videos that I do, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. You liking and subscribing is the best way to support the videos that I make, and it ensures that I can continue to make videos like this for you guys. And let's push for 1,000 followers. So one of the reasons I had decided to switch it up, I was just wanting to see how different things work and see how people felt about me adding in the overlays I was doing. I've noticed that this is starting to happen a lot, that more AI generated videos have been going out. Now, I only try to do a fully AI made video on Friday when I talk about the news, and I'm not going to change that. That's more of what I find interesting around the world, usually with US politics. I, of course, get a lot of hate from that. A lot of people don't like my views on politics because I'm not quite on either side. I tend to criticize both of the major parties for the US. So I tend to get a lot of haters from both sides. And I'm okay with that. I'm not a robot, even though I use AI like one, huh? But with the AI generated overlays in my other videos, I was seeing how people felt about it, because I see that the future, there's going to be a lot of AI videos that are made for better or worse. That is what the future holds for video making. I think AI is going to replace a lot of jobs. It includes video editing. It includes videos in general. I just feel like AI is about to replace a lot of that. That was the main reason I wanted to make AI generated content to add into the videos. I saw a decrease in the viewers, and so I've decided to kind of go back to how I was doing it. I think this is a better way, and to be honest, it won't take as much time to do either. It will take far less time to do it the way I was doing it. You know, the assumption is usually if it takes more time, that means you put more work into it, and it ends up being better content. But honestly, that wasn't the case. It took more time and it still got less views. And so it was something that I'm not going to do anymore. It wasn't working. I'm joined here with one of my cats, George. He's here with me today. He loves to be pet on. Sometimes I give him food and he doesn't want the food. He wants me to pet him. So I've decided, to go back to what I was doing with the walking and talking about different things. If I do an overlay, most of the overlays will be videos of me traveling somewhere or with my fiance, stuff like that, stuff like I was doing. And I like that. That makes me happy that people weren't as excited about the AI stuff, because it took a lot of the joy out of the video editing. It took a lot of the joy out of the traveling, because I spent hours editing one video with AI content. And it's okay to spend hours editing a video if the video, does decent, or if it's stuff that you really like. And I like adding in the overlays of all the fun stuff I do here in the Philippines and in other countries. I like to do that. The AI content really didn't show that because it was, generated by AI. So I spent a lot of the day doing that and not spending much time with my fiance for not a lot of good reason. I mean, there was no real good reason to do it because people didn't like it. And I know that now, and I'm okay with that. I'm happy with that. That means that I can focus on doing something a little more interesting, a little more fun. So that's my plan now, is to do that. I am going to test different styles, a camera angle. I'll try doing 9 by 16 and 16 by 9. I'll see how each one is and see how that goes. I think 16 by 9 is probably the best camera aspect. We'll see. And I won't focus so much on editing. I will edit out some of the repeats that I do, or edit out some of the long pauses, different things like that. I will edit out just because it's, I don't want it to be repetitive or boring to many people. The age of technology, long pauses just turns the brain off. The brain gets bored because the brain's constantly wanting new information. So that's what I plan on doing. We'll see how it goes. I am going to try and make 3 videos a day. I'm going to try to and edit them and have at least 2 months worth of material at all times, or close to 2 months. So my plan is to have enough videos to go all the way up to August 31st. For now, it's July 2nd right now. And then once August 1st hits, I want to make videos again until I get to September 30th. And keep doing it like that. I don't do a video every day, but I try to do a video every Monday through Friday. And Fridays, I try to do a news type video that's mostly generated with AI. So we'll see how that goes. Obviously, I like to do this in the morning time. As you guys know, it's my favorite time to be awake, to be alive, is in the morning time. And so, yeah, I will be doing this in the morning time. The only thing is if my fiance is awake, I don't want to, or isn't awake, I don't want to disturb her at home. So I would like to walk. And if she's gone, I'll try to push in more videos, because I don't like to disturb her peace. It's not something I enjoy to do. She doesn't like being part of the videos a whole lot. She doesn't like being part of social media. She deleted her own Facebook account, and she uses my Facebook account to message her family and to sell ukai ukai and different things like that. But she herself does not like social media. And I think I'm part of the reason for that, because I told her that there's just too much drama. She's dealing with too much drama on her social media account, and that I don't want to be part of it. I don't like drama. My social media account does not have that, and if it starts going down that route, I'll just shut my social media off. I don't deal with it. But that's why you don't see her much in my videos, is she doesn't like to be in that. But that's the plan. That's what I would like to do. We'll see how it goes. Today, my fiance is going out to Calibo. She's going to go do ukai ukai to buy clothes to sell. Sorry, the cats keep running under my feet, so I'm trying not to trip over them. I'm being followed by the cats and the chickens. It's like an army of animals. But she's going to go do ukai ukai. I'll do some videos at home. I guess I'll do 2 more videos today, and both of them will be at home. This morning, I want to knock this one out, so I don't have to think about it, because I forgot to bring my selfie stick. Well, I wanted to see if I didn't have to use it, because I don't like to use it. The damn thing broke on me. But it is what it is. So yeah, guys, that's the plan. That's what I plan on doing moving forward, getting back to how my videos used to be. I hope you guys enjoy them. I hope that I'm not too boring. I just want to, have fun with what I do. I don't want to do things just for the YouTube algorithm. I don't want to do things just for views. I've heard a lot of people talk about how YouTube's changed a lot since what it used to be years ago, and now it's more about algorithm, and it's less about people actually just enjoying what they're doing and having fun. And I don't know how true that is, because I didn't start my YouTube channel posting on it consistently until February of this year, 2025. So I don't know how YouTube was before then. What I do know is that I just want to do this for fun. I don't want to do this for the money. I don't want to do this for, anything like that. I just want to have fun. I want to have fun with it. I want to be able to relax. Something I can do on the side other than the other things that I do. We'll see how it goes. If anything changes, I'll let you guys know. Sorry I didn't update about the AI stuff as it started to change. I didn't think about it, I'll be honest. It just started happening. It was interesting because I started seeing things like Sora come out, and and I have a pro membership to ChatGPT, and so I didn't really think about it. It just started out as just a few overlay videos here and there, and then it just consistently turned into more. But it would take so much time and energy. It just was not fun. It was exhausting me. And now that I'm in some of the most important upper level classes of my master's, I just don't have time to do that. Like this week, I've got to finish off a 15-page paper, and I got to start working on doing peer reviews for other papers, two other 15-page papers. So it's a lot. It's a lot to do, and the AI videos content is just, it was too much. There you go, guys. I hope that you have better understanding of why I was doing what I was doing. You can now see what my plan is moving forward. As always, guys, if y'all have any questions, comments, concerns, or complaints, leave them in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you guys. If you have any ideas, let me know, and I'll add that into this. I'm going to remake some of the old videos I did, try to make them better, and we'll see how it goes from there. All right, guys, know that you all are valuable, that you matter. God bless.